clients don't want point solutions. They want things that then go out across multiple platforms, right? And so if your focus in, let's say, I'm the OEM and I want to have a AI tool that does predictive maintenance on my piece of equipment, that's interesting. But if one line, the equipment on one line does it differently than another one, and there's no commonality across that, that becomes a particular problem. Like, how nobody wants the visualization software only for one piece of equipment, right? What they want is a way to reach across all of the equipment. And if it's working with the OEM specifically to figure out the rules and the failure modes and the failure signatures, to then do the predictive maintenance or any other key predictive problem, they're going to want that same approach applied to the equipment on the next line or the equipment later on down the line. This is why a company like Comet is so powerful in this space, because most OEMs feel the need to solve that problem themselves. Now, they may be good at it, they may not be good at solving it from an AI perspective, but clients don't want point solutions. They want factory level solutions, right? That will cut across multiple pieces of equipment. And that's why the Comet approach is so powerful, and it's enabled by agentic technology.